group of students is preparing their final presentation. The deadline is tomorrow. Everyone is stressed, and psychological barriers begin to block their communication.
Okay, everyone, we need to finish our plan today. Tomorrow's deadline. Let's focus.
Don't worry guys, it's follow my plan. I already know what to do.
You always say that, Ray, but your plan is not always good.
At least I'm trying. And you, what are you doing since criticizing?
Please, do not argue. What if we fail? What if we embarrass ourselves? I really say that. Please calm down. Mark, do you have an idea for the introduction?
I have something.
If you're not sure, don't waste our time.
Never mind.
Mark's fear of criticism stopped him from sharing his thoughts.
Ricky, can you do that in message? I don't, I can't. I'm making this up. I'm not good at speaking.
It's just an introduction. Everyone is good at you.
That's why I'm scared.
Mark's low self-esteem becomes a barrier. She doubts herself before she even tries.
Honestly, I feel like nobody listens to me here. Every time I talk, someone's interrupts. Lena, that's not true. It is. You always listen to Ray more.
It's because my ideas make sense.
See? That's exactly what I mean. This is going nowhere. No one is prepared.
No, it's going nowhere. Just keep judging everyone.
This is bad. This is a real bad. Enough! We're wasting time. Maybe I should stop joining groups. I always feel like I'm not good enough. I really do that.
Everyone, stop! We're not failing because we are weak. We're failing because we are letting psychological barriers control our communication.
The psychological barrier.
Yes, look at what's happening. He wants to speak, but he's afraid of criticism. Burden has low self-esteem and scared of making mistakes. Happy is anxious and overthinking everything. Leia is emotional because she feels ignored. Raymond is so overconfident and dominates the discussion. Dominai is judgmental and shuts people down. How can we finish this project? We keep hurting each other.
I didn't realize I was special at I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I didn't mean to make silence anyone. I just wanted the work to be good.
Maybe I took too much serious to fail. And I didn't want to look weak.
I overthink because I'm scared of disappointing everyone. I get emotional because I want to be able myself, but I'm always scared.
I stay silent because I'm afraid people will laugh at me. Thank you for being honest. Let's start with simple rules. Rule number 1, no interrupting. Rule number 2, no judging while someone is speaking. Rule number 3, encourage each other. Rule number 4, everyone has a rule.
Mark, can you please share your idea? Who will listen?
I think we should start our presentation with a short scenario like this. Then we explain each one and give solutions.
That's a great idea.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, Mark. Your idea is good.
Thank you.
Perkin, can you do the other message? We'll practice you until you confidence. Okay, I try. Stop overthinking and focus what we can do now. I speak calmly and I listen to you.
Stop dominating and let everyone speak.
Psychological barriers can block communication, fear, anxiety, emotion, low of confidence, and judgment. But when people understand each other and communicate with respect, teamwork becomes stronger.
Go.
Engine. Highways, and choose.